Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Habitica app for habit tracking. Habitica turns your tasks into a game, making habit tracking fun and motivating. Download and install Habitica. Available on both iOS and Android, download Habitica from the App Store or Google Play, then create an account or sign in with an existing one. Set up your avatar. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to customize your avatar. This character represents you in the game, so personalize it to your liking. Create habits, dailies, and to-dos. Tap on the plus button to add a new task. You can categorize your tasks into habits, dailies, and to-dos. Habits, tasks you want to do multiple times a day or week. Dailies, tasks you want to complete every day or on specific days. To-dos, one-time tasks that you need to complete. Customize your tasks. For each task, you can set the difficulty level, add tags, and choose the frequency. The more challenging the task, the more experience points, XP, and rewards you'll earn. Complete tasks and earn rewards. Check off tasks as you complete them to earn XP, gold, and items for your avatar. This helps you level up and progress in the game, making habit tracking more engaging. Join or create a party. Habitica allows you to team up with friends by joining or creating a party. This adds a social aspect to your habit tracking, where you can motivate each other and tackle challenges together. Explore other features. Participate in challenges, collect pets and mounts, and use the in-game currency to buy rewards or equipment for your avatar. That's it for our tutorial on using Habitica for habit tracking. Start building better habits today in a fun and interactive way. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.